Hey guys, what's going on? Cody Gertz here, and welcome to this video. I'm excited to shoot this for you today because I'm going to be showing you guys how to consistently make $100 with ClickBank. Okay, it's not as hard as you may think, and $100 isn't that much. And I know there are people out there that make thousands and thousands of dollars on ClickBank, but I'm going to show you guys, whether you're beginners or maybe you're just getting started on ClickBank, I'm going to show you guys how to consistently make $100. And first off, let's get you pumped up. Let's get you excited. I want to show you guys my results. Check this out. Last month was my first month on ClickBank, and I made $100 last month. And this month, today is March 10th, so this is through March 9th. I have made $216 so far this month, guys. So consistently making $100 every single month on ClickBank and more, as you can see here. So there are a few things that you guys need to keep in mind when choosing a product, okay? And I'm actually going to show you this product that I'm using inside ClickBank. And here's a few things that you need to keep in mind, okay? You need to relate with the vision of the company, okay? So whatever the company is that created that product, make sure that you believe in their vision and you relate with them, okay? That's number one. Number two, is this company product going to be around for a long time? Okay, is this their legacy project? Is it going to be around for a month or 3 months or a year or 5 years? That will help you determine whether or not you want to promote it, right? And the third thing is it scalable? Okay, this particular ClickBank product has 10 multiple streams of income inside one. Okay, so scalability, yes, check mark. Okay, so keep those three things in mind when you're trying to choose a product on ClickBank. Okay, so let me go ahead and reveal this for you. If you guys have ever heard of the 4% group by Vic Stryceus, okay, give me just a second. Let me pull up this page here. Stick with me. I know you guys have probably heard Vic Stryceus has a bad rap, but let me tell you guys something. He has been around for 14 years. Okay, had a lot of ups, had a lot of downs. So no matter how long that you've been in the industry, you understand that it's a roller coaster, okay? You weather the storms. And now Vic has taken 14 years of experience and knowledge and strategies and put them all into one course called The Challenge, okay? It's a 60-day program teaching entrepreneurs a skill set that they can use in any industry, okay? So real quick, to finish out this video, I'm going to show you guys the video right here on the 4% challenge page, okay? Real quick, if you don't care to watch this and you need to watch it on your own time, I put a link in the description in this video. So I encourage you guys to check that out if you want a great ClickBank product, okay? So check out this video real quick, and
I wanted to focus on something different. I wanted to focus on how can I help other people get what they want instead of getting what I want.
Well, one, having a phenomenal leader in Vic. Somebody who is caring, compassionate, really knowledgeable.
I believe that he really cares and he really wants everybody in the 4% group to succeed.
And he has provided us a lot of training and information where we have been able to succeed.
He gives us all the information that we need to be able to run our own business, to become independent.
He wants us to eventually leave the coop, fly away, and actually create our own, possibly create our own 4%. So that's really exciting. He really wants us to be independent marketers where we can go out there and create our own destiny.
I knew that he was looking for people that were committed and dedicated and really wanted to accomplish, their goals and stuff. And I knew that he would be a good mentor.
This is one area that I've actually been fascinated for about 20 years, but I never really took action. So at this point, when I saw Vic, I thought to myself, it's time. And I made that decision, and here I am.
If you're watching this right now, that tells me, you're still searching. Maybe you're part of a network marketing company. Maybe you sell affiliate products. But I know you're probably still searching. Maybe you're frustrated. Maybe you're just completely overwhelmed with all the information that's out there.
The 4% vision and Vic's vision it sold us immediately, and we knew this was the one place we could bring people in where they would truly succeed.
You get ready to go to bed at night at 11 o'clock and all of a sudden you go bing, 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 you look at your phone and Vic's there, say, hey guys, I got a message. You know, that kind of thing.
It is really a safe environment, an environment where they can learn step by step until they build up their confidence, their own skills, and ultimately their multiple streams of income.
You've actually got to take action to succeed in anything that you do in life.
4% is because it's the 4%, because it's the notch above. I'm not the regular person. I want greatness, really, in anything that I do. There is the great ones, there's the 4 people out of the 100. Well, I want to be in that 4% group.
Give the 4% group a chance. I promise you, it's going to strip away all the fat of what you maybe experienced over the years, the overwhelm. It's going to point you in the right direction. And as I said in the beginning, we're really all about one thing. We're about results. And I know the 4% can change your life just the way it's changed mine.
Don't wait. Make the decision and do it now.
All right, and there you guys have it. Awesome, awesome stuff. If you guys relate with that message, if you feel like that you could work alongside me, if you guys feel that you could work alongside with Vic, I encourage you guys to check out the challenge. It's a 60-day program, 1 video a day. That's all you have to do. Take your action steps every single day, and you guys will succeed. All right? Develop that skill set, learn how to provide value to the industry, and you guys will become independent entrepreneurs. Okay? Thanks for watching this video. If you want access to the challenge, click the link below this video and it'll take you straight to that page that you just saw. Okay? And there's tons of information on the challenge in there. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'm going to get off here. See you later.